Gaza here with the Gaza Performance Garage. Yo, dudes and dudettes, check out my merch. I got my gator necks available and also t-shirts. I'm gonna go do a car wash on the YouTube Wise car and make it look nice and shiny. Thank you. Well guys, yes, Cruiser is clean. Let me get you properly here. Cruiser is clean. Just wiped her down. Looking good. Good Lord. Vacuumed her out earlier. Beautiful unit. Non-turbo. Non-turbo. Opted for the non-turbo because I don't want any problems later on down the road. The unit that I'm using, and they're not sponsoring me right now, is the Westinghouse 2050 PSI electric pressure washer. It's a very good unit. It comes with 4 nozzles. It comes with your container to put in your cleaning agents. Comes with the holders. It's on wheels, so you can drag it anywhere you want. And it does a marvelous job. Hey guys, yes, welcome back. Thank you for watching today's short video on how to clean your car with an electric power washer. and with the snow foam. If you guys are not a member of the Gaza Performance Garage, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell for all new videos from the Gaza Performance Garage. And don't forget to smash the like button if you like this video. Also guys, we have our merch. This is our gator neck that we have here from the Gaza Performance Garage, which is what I'm sweating right now. You should see this. In the cold morning, you breathe through here the turbo. It's like the turbo is alive. Also guys, we have my new merch. We have here on the back a big Gaza Performance Garage, and on the front a small pocket size turbo. Okay, long sleeve, real cool. I have a limited supply. Please, if you guys are interested, just leave me a comment, or just I would say drop me a message in the message section and DM me and give me the information that you want, what the sizes are. Remember, we have a limited supply. I only have 30 left. They are going really, really fast. These shirts are not your typical cotton shirts. These are the dry fit. So even if you're wearing a black to this one, it is the coolest thing ever. All right, I should be wearing one instead of an Adam LZ, but hey, listen, I'm here to help my other YouTubers, and Adam LZ is one of my really good friends here on the YouTube channel. So with that said, guys, listen, thank you very much for watching the Gaza Performance Garage. This is boy Mr. Gaza saying peace, love,